Hey guys, it's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. We just wrapped up Day Trade Friday. It was a heck of a day. We started the day locking in our gain on Google, our paycheck trade. Google, we had a vertical spread. We had the 1487.50, 1490 vertical spread. Max gains above 1490. We closed that out first thing in the morning for a nice gain. And then we ended up closing out our Exxon trade that we made yesterday near the highs this morning. If you take a look at the today 1 minute chart, we closed that out this morning on opening bell, and we had a nice gain on the ExxonMobil trade of 24%. And we just got that trade yesterday morning. So beautiful 24% gain on that trade overnight. Nice gain on our Google paycheck trade. Our THC trade, Tenant Healthcare, that was up significantly this morning. We ended up closing that within the first 10 minutes of the day there, locked in some nice gains on that of 29%. And we made a trade on Qualcomm then afterwards. We jumped into Qualcomm. I love the chart setup on here. There was news circulating that Warren Buffett's buying a stake in Qualcomm, and that just continued to run higher this morning off of that news, up over 2% for the day. If you take a look here, we made another trade on Amazon. Amazon, if you could take a look here, we're entering that breakout momentum cycle. We just broke above that consolidation box, and Amazon was just upgraded to $3,800 a share by one analyst and $4,000 a share by another analyst. And with the holiday cyclical trend coming up, I think Amazon's going to continue higher next week. Also, you have to remember, Amazon Prime Day is next week. So I think we're going to have a big climb into Amazon Prime Day. I think we're going to see 3,400 to possibly even 3,500 by the end of next week. And to top it off, I guess Trump and the House are going to be negotiating next week. Trump raised his limit on the stimulus bill that he wants to pass. So we're going to see how that ends up tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, I'm sorry, next week. So next week, if there's any news on that bill, they're getting close to a deal there, we're going to see the markets take off as well. So a nice climb here on Amazon today. The stock's up over 3%, up over $100 today on Amazon. And we got an out of the money vertical spread on that can make a max net gain of, we got it for, I think, 313 to be worth 10. 10 divide that by 3. So a max net gain of 215.5% on the Amazon trade that we made today in the afternoon pro trader and elite yearly membership trade session at 2 p.m. That was the first thing we jumped into at 2 p.m. was the Amazon vertical spread for next week's expo. Looks great. Qs took off, ended the day at the highs of the day today. Looking good. And if we go down, Apple is continuing to climb here as well. I think we're going to see a big breakout on Apple next week. We made an Apple trade. Our Apple trade's doing great. We also have a silver trade. Our silver trade, SLV, is up significantly. We're up 44% on this silver trade that we got the first day that we had the big cross there. I think right around 10.4 or 10.2 to 10.5. October 2nd or October 5th, we jumped in that silver trade, and we're up, 44% on that right now. Another one is GoDaddy, our GDDY. Shares of GoDaddy are taking off. If we could get a green candle above with the body above that red 50 SMA, I'm going to be adding to our GoDaddy trade. And we also have a nice Apple trade, AAPL. We're up 13% on this already. So I really think Apple's going to continue higher, and I really want to see that 120 to 125 next week there. So I think we have some great opportunity going forward here. The markets are looking good. We're picking up, especially if we get that stimulus deal like I talked about. I think we're going to see a further breakout. Google here, if you take a look at Google 3-month daily, what a breakout that had. It just had that 1020 cross. The MACD already crossed. And if you take a look here on the histogram, so this green bars right here, this is the histogram. So if you look at that histogram, we finally got some green bars here on the upside. And, usually when we start to see that, you can see what we do. We usually have a nice breakout there, especially after that 1020 cross, the MACD cross, and then the green bars on the histogram. So I really think we're going to see a continued run here on Google. I'm looking for that 1600 as a target, probably from now until November 20th Expo. So I'm going to be making some trades on this next week going forward. So I love that setup. on Google, Amazon, Apple. I love tech right now. It's continuing to climb and it looks great. So I hope everyone had a great week, and I'm really looking forward to next week. And if you guys want, you guys could go to our website and sign up for our class. It's already ready for you guys. Let me share with you. So if you guys go to our website and you're a member, you go to live trading, live trade room. You already got an email as well, but class sign up, you'd be clicking right here on class sign up. And every Wednesday, 5 p.m., we have a class. It's a class for either beginner, intermediate, or advanced traders. And then if you're a pro or an elite member, right here, you'd be clicking for the afternoon live trading session at 2 p.m. So come join us, guys. Just go to join now, click on membership pricing plans, and see what membership best fits you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot us a message, and I'd be happy to get back to you guys. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Make sure you stay safe, and God bless, guys. Take care, and great day to end the week. Great job this week, guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys on Monday.